Among the magical beauties of Barcelona, there is one shining star, Park Güell. This magnificent place is an immortal work of Antoni Gaudi's genius and creativity. It may be a bit far from the city center, but the charm of this unique place will draw you in. Park Güell was built between 1900 and 1914 and was inspired by the Garden City movement of the 20th century. This park was part of Gaudi's life and is one of the most important representatives of his artistic legacy. Compared to his other famous buildings, such as the Sagrada Familia Church and Casa Mila, Park Güell was designed with a different concept. For this reason, it has become one of Barcelona's most visited tourist attractions. You can visit the park for free, but keep in mind that it is located a bit far from the city center. One of the most impressive features of Park Güell is the famous mosaic tile bench. This colorful and charming bench is decorated with colorful tiles made using the Trencadis technique invented by Gaudi. There is also an eye-catching sculpture of a dragon in the park. The mosaic salamander sculpture at the entrances of Park Güell is considered a symbol of Barcelona and is known by different names. The Austrian gardens around Park Güell are home to spectacular views. In these gardens, there are two beautiful houses built especially during the reign of Eusebi Güell, one of which is now the Gaudi House Museum. The Greek Theater, in the center of the monumental Park Güell, is designed to host open-air events and offers a place to capture the most beautiful photo frames. If you want to enjoy this magical place, you can access Park Güell through 3 different entrances. The main entrance is located on Carrer d'Oló or Carrer de l'Arard, while the other 2 entrances are located on Passage de Sant Joseph de la Muntanya and Carretera del Carmel. If you plan to visit the monumental Gaudi zone of Park Güell, you will have to pay an entrance fee, but it is worth it to enjoy this wonder. We recommend buying tickets online to avoid waiting in line for tickets. Transportation to Park Güell is the start of an unforgettable Barcelona experience. Thanks to Barcelona's excellent public transportation system, you can easily reach Park Güell. You can arrive by metro, bus, or tram from different parts of the city. There is also a nice option for those who prefer to walk from the city center. You can reach Park Güell with a pleasant walk of approximately 30 or 40 minutes. During this journey, you will have the opportunity to explore the streets and neighborhoods of the city. You can also enjoy the impressive views during your journey. If you want to explore Barcelona's rich history and culture, you can join tour groups organized in the city. These tours usually include Park Güell, and the guides will provide you with historical information. This way, you can make new friends while exploring the park in more depth. When deciding how to get to Park Güell, make sure you choose the most suitable option to have a pleasant and unforgettable experience. Remember that Park Güell will welcome you with fascinating Gaudi works and will allow you to discover the magical atmosphere of Barcelona. We wish you a pleasant journey.